As the city lights fall on the water, time slows down. The ship, floating like a white pearl, envelops you. As you relax in the comfortable armchairs, the rhythms rising from the stage touch your heart. On one side, people dancing joyfully. On the other, people raising their glasses. There's a different face of happiness in every corner. Whether you're with loved ones or alone, it doesn't matter. Every moment is special to you. Every moment is unforgettable. The music swells, the stage becomes vibrant, and laughter gushes into the sky. And you, right in the middle of this night, are writing a new story for your life. This stage, set up every evening in Istanbul, awaits you.